Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to make a cheesy egg paratha, a protein packed and filling breakfast dish that you can enjoy with some yogurt or pickles. This paratha is easy to make and is perfect for busy mornings. It requires only a few ingredients and can be cooked in no time. Let's get started. In a bowl, take 4 boiled eggs and chop them into small pieces so it's easier to roll them into a paratha. To this, add finely chopped coriander leaves, finely chopped green onion, finely chopped green chilies, salt as per your preference, and freshly ground black pepper. To add a flavor punch, in a little bit of hot oil, add finely chopped garlic and fry them until they are golden brown. Add the fried garlic and the oil to the egg mixture and gently mix all the ingredients and keep aside. To make the dough of the paratha, in a large bowl, take 2 cups of refined flour and 1 cup of whole wheat flour. Add a teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of refined oil. Mix well and then add water little by little and knead into a smooth and soft dough. Cover the bowl with a lid or cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. After resting the dough, divide it into 4 equal parts. We will demonstrate 2 methods for stuffing and rolling the dough, one for the beginners and one for the experienced. For the beginner-friendly method, we take the dough ball lightly dusted with flour. Gently roll it out into a circular shape, making sure that the middle and the sides of the dough are evenly thin. Add a dusting of flour if any time you feel the dough is starting to stick. Next, add a generous amount of grated mozzarella cheese in the middle of the dough. Then add equal amounts of the previously made egg mixture. As you would pack a gift with a wrapping paper, take the dough from the sides and fold it to the middle over the filling. Once you have made the pocket-shaped packet, dust the surface with more flour and start gently rolling it thin. Air pockets will form while you will roll, indicating that the dough you have made is just perfect. Keep dusting it with flour whenever you feel it starts to stick. Once you see the filling through the dough, you have reached the maximum you can roll. For the experienced method, take a flour dusted dough ball and start to roll into a circular shape. Gently roll the edges of the dough thinner than the middle. Then add a generous amount of grated mozzarella cheese and the egg filling into the center of the dough. Start by taking the sides of the dough and slowly crimping it close as shown. Once closed, take the middle of the dough and press it gently in between your hands and seal it shut. Dust it with refined flour and roll it gently, giving it the classic paratha shape. Heat a tawa over medium heat and place the paratha on the pan and cook for few seconds on both sides. Then spread a dollop of ghee over the paratha. Flip and cook the parathas on both sides. Look at how gorgeously the paratha bulges up while we fry. Do not worry if your paratha does not do this. With practice, you will perfect it. Cook the paratha for few minutes on both sides, flipping occasionally until golden and crisp. Transfer the paratha to a plate and keep it warm. And repeat the same with the rest. Take plain mayonnaise sauce and add fried golden brown garlic along with the oil and a dash of chili flakes. Mix and our spicy garlic mayo dip is ready to be served. Enjoy your cheesy egg paratha with some spicy garlic mayo dip. We hope you like this recipe and you will try it soon. If you do, please let us know in the comments below. Remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more easy and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching and happy cooking!